one and only. Mostly is your
Alright guys, don't be angry at me. I tried looking for a camera shop on the way here, but I still couldn't find any of those little mic over things, so you might hear a bit of wind noise. But yeah, we're out here at Daisy Hill. I haven't ridden in a while. I got some cross-country races coming up, so trying to get prepped up for them. So we'll probably do like 30k out here today. I'm going to try and explore some of the other trails down in Cornubia, which is like down that side, I think. But yeah, I don't come out here very often. I came out here like a month ago and rode, which was pretty sweet. The trails are so much different compared to what I'm used to, which is always good. Good training. So yeah, we're just cruising up the fire road now to get to the trails. I'm going to do a warm up on one of my favorite trails here, and then we'll probably come back up the fire road and then go to Cornubia or something. Cruise straight into it. There is a bit of wind, sorry guys. Now I do not know which line to take through this rock garden. I've only hit like twice, so let's try this way. Look like the long way. Guys, so I'm going to go down Ripley's and I guess we'll see where we end up. But most people drive to Cornubia. I was speaking to a guy back there, so I guess we'll try and find our way there once we get back from these trails. Owen, how you doing?
Good, how are you?
Not too bad. Whoa, drifting into the rocks. Tight. Hate tight trees. This video doesn't really have a purpose, but I'm kind of just out here riding and I thought, why not film, get some videos up. So it's kind of what this video is. It's not like a how-to or not really a purpose to it, but hopefully you guys enjoy watching it. I found myself on a fire road. I think this might be the way to where we want to go, but I don't know. We're just driving, man. Let's pop a wheelie. Oh, that was embarrassing. I haven't popped the wheelie in, oh, so long. Cornubia Forest, yes, yes. Thank you. All right, guys, we're mobbing. Yeah, Cornubia Forest. Oh yeah, boy. Jump over that. It's a really windy day and all you guys are gonna hear is of the wind noise. Alright, this looks like a trail. Oh, Nirvana, yeah. This is the one Momo was talking about. He was saying you go up here and then, I don't know, push you out somewhere or something. I don't know, let's ride it. Pretty wildly overgrown. Well, this looks sick. Alright, downhill road. Oh, and dropper. Oh, look at this. Sweet. I love riding trails blind, eh? So much fun. So rutted, man. This is cool as like dropping into like a little rainforest now. Yo, we're in the rainforest now. I just love the rainforest because it's like darker and the GoPro can pick up the trail a lot better. Whereas when there's all those like little sunny spots, the footage just looks crap. Oh my god. Oh, I don't know how I didn't unclip through that. Oh my god. I was not in the right gear for that. That was steep. Wow. Man. Pinchy little trails. So much colder in here. Straight line. Let's see what we got. Oh, straight up the guts of it. R.L. Grimes Halloween mix, by the way. If you're wondering what the hell the music just came from, it's in my pocket. Listen to this drop. Oh, what a drop. Oh. Guys, I'm planning on doing a how to no-hand a wheelie video sometime soon, but I'm kind of running out of ideas on what to film. So if you like this sort of video, let me know and I'll just do these like talking and riding sort of vlog videos. Otherwise, yeah, give me some suggestions in the comments. Cheers. Alright guys, hopefully you enjoyed that video. It's a slightly different style, kind of just riding and talking as I ride. So if you did enjoy it, leave a like, comment if you enjoyed it, and if you want me to do this sort of video again. Yeah, subscribe if you haven't. We'll see you guys in the next one. Yoo-hoo!